We want Morgan back. That one hurt. Have you ever wondered what it would look like to Raptor line a truck? Not just a truck bed, but the whole freaking truck. This thing is huge, man. It took forever. Anyways, I'm gonna do it today. I know a lot of you hate me, but you know what? Maybe I'll grow on you. You have no choice. You say you're leaving, you're unsubscribing, but I know you're here watching again because we are a family, and families stick together. So stop being assholes and leaving these comments that you're leaving me because I've lost all my marbles, okay? And yes, I'm setting up a P.O. box so you guys can all send me the marbles and we give them back to Morgan. Let's get to work. The primer for this thing was an absolute nightmare. It came in, it has to be like a high build or 2K primer. It came in, it's a long story. It's so freaking messed up, man.
What do you put in there? Thinner?
But basically, half of the Suburban got primed, and then the primer got destroyed, turned into cottage cheese, because somebody put oil-based thinner in it, and it take a week to get this primer. So I call all the paint shops. They say, you know what, 2K, high build, a little bit overkill if truck is already painted. If you're not painting on bare metal, scuff it up, shoot away. So that's what we're doing. So I already primed it before I tested the different colors. So I just took some sandpaper to it, scuffed it up like the guy said, and we're going for it. The black part, that's the 2K primer. So if that lasts 5 years and the front of the Suburban only lasts 2, sorry, Dad. But I can't wait any more week for more primer, and it's just disaster. Anyways, this is the most fun I've ever had shooting a product ever. This is not sponsored. It should be. Morgan's lazy. I will email Raptor later. We'll get the sponsorship. Anyways, it is absolutely foolproof. It looks like not a lot come out of the gun, but you know, mind you, this is very large truck. But and it also look like it'll be streaky. It's not when it dries. It just dries to perfection. So about 1 bottle of Raptor got me about 1/4 panel, 1 door. 2 bottles got me the roof painted. So altogether I had 6 bottles. It's beautiful. It comes out very splattery. So it's like you can't mess up. Every time I emptied a bottle, I put the cap back on and put it upside down. And so after 8 of those, I poured them all into here, and it's almost a half a bottle of paint. Just a warning, you must wear eye mask. You see that the eye is very puffy right here by midnight, and by morning it looked like I had been crying for days. So wear eye mask, eye protection. Very irritable. Alright, and there you have it. I won't do a reveal just yet. I have the wheels down at the shop being powder coated. It's going to look very beautiful. And still have a massive fuel leak. Not sure what to do. Hopefully we'll be on the road in the Suburban very soon and deliver it to my father. The Raptor liner, very easy cleanup. I just throw away the bottles and the box. That may have been illegal. I don't know. Oh, look at all these comments. 227 comments. How am I supposed to read these comments? This is a little bit crazy. You guys are kind of crazy, you know? Okay, it's time to pull your head out of your ass and start being Morgan again. Fran may seem therapeutic to you, but the rest of us are just watching you crash and burn in the most awful and cringy of ways. For real, man. Either be yourself again or just stop altogether. I'll be back when Morgan comes back. Until then, you've lost a subscriber. Wes Raymond, what the hell is going on? I don't know what the hell is going on. Tom, Fran, helping Morgan out of jams since the beginning. Love that. Big thumbs up for Fran's new rack as well. Thank you. Thank you very much. Ugh, you better get Morgan back. Southern, how dare you? How dare. I thought you loved me unconditionally. So means you love the both of us, right? I'm very liking his friend. Please tell us more about your country. Well, Jeff, my country, we don't age. We always look like we are 20. You see, no wrinkle at all, anywhere on body. So it's very nice in my country. We take care of ourselves here. No alcohol, no cigarette. What else? Lots of exercise in creative ways, you know. We don't go to gyms in my country. This is ridiculous American thing, and I just don't understand it at all. But anyways, we'll get more into my country in another video. Right now, I get back to the comments. Sadly, I think Morgan has lost the rest of her marbles. Maybe she'll find them as she cleans out the RV. 21 thumbs up. But where can we sign up to the Bring Morgan Back petition? Miss her? 20 likes? I like Fran, someone said. Fran is okay, but Morgan is a lot funnier, prettier. Also, I want to see her make it. Give Fran time. She has to develop a personality and interact with a new environment. Takes a lot out of you when you are cloned. You know? Sometimes in life, people get it. Other times, they do not. What do you think about this Boujii? You know who's grown on me is Boujii. Right now, in the beginning, she's a very needy dog. Always on my face. I don't really understand it. You're sleeping on my face. You like to lay on my face in the car. You always on my side. I go take a shower, she's watching me. He's sitting on the toilet, she's watching me. I cook in the kitchen, she's right there. I get in the car, she's already there. That's a whole nother video. She role-playing for somebody in the shop, somebody is smashing it. Art. That sounds like a good time, Art. Is the last 2 to 3 minutes just black for anybody else? Okay, I'm so sorry. I like the song and I let it play for the rest of the video, okay? Sometimes you just need to sit back and watch the darkness and soak in the music, okay? In my country, this is what we do, okay? If you like a song, you close your eyes and you listen to the music. That's one token from my country for you, okay? Goodbye.
They're broken, I'm holding Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax, 'cause love is blinding. Stick to the trail. No, don't go off the path. Going in a circle, lost, no going back. Lost and we're not going back. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax, 'cause love is blinding.
It's a strange world we live in. All we want is loving, searching for things unspoken. We can't hold this token.